Let's learn how to take our weaving off of our loom. Start by spreading all of your yarn tails to the sides. Notice that except for the very first and very last yarn tail, all of the yarn tails should be in pairs. You are going to tie a double knot with each pair of yarn tails. Now you are going to weave a stick through the string at the very top of your loom. Carefully flip over the loom and remove the top loops from the loom teeth. Very gently flip over the loom, trying to keep the stick woven in the top loops. Now you will gently slide your woven rows up until the stick is held tight. Start at the top, working a few rows at a time, and work your way all the way to the bottom. Gently pull the strings at the bottom of your weaving and smooth out your weaving. Carefully cut the knot that is connecting your weaving to the loom and remove your weaving from the loom. Spread out the loops at the bottom of your weaving and tie them together in double knots. Back at the top, wrap your string around the stick and tie it to a tail of yarn. Do this on both sides. Once again, spread out your yarn tails to the sides and cut them so they are about 2 to 3 inches long. Wrap your yarn tails around the back of your weaving and tape them down with masking tape. Make sure you press firmly on the tape so that it sticks to the yarn. Carefully cut the string at the bottom of your weaving, leaving a small fringe. Tie a short piece of yarn to each end of the stick so that you can hang up your weaving. That's it! You have successfully taken your weaving off your loom.